Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Yes. Last week Miss have taught you flower name. Yes or no children? Yes. I hope you all have seen the video and learned the flower names. Yes. This week also we are going to learn same flower names with some questions. Okay. Before going to learn the questions, Miss will show you the flower video. Okay. Small clipping. After seeing that video, we will learn flower names in textbook. Okay.
Lotus, lotus, sunflower, sunflower, rose, rose, dahlia, marigold, marigold, jasmine, jasmine, lily, lily, daisy, daisy, tulip, tulip, hibiscus, hibiscus, mogra, mogra,
We are going to learn this flower lesson in your textbook. Okay, this is your textbook. What is the name of your textbook? Picture Dictionary. What is the name of your textbook? Picture Dictionary. Now, all take this page number 15. Page number 15. See, this is your flower lesson. See, flowers in the garden. Okay. What flower is this? What flower is this? Rose, rose, rose. This is mogra, 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 mogra. My dear children, all say with me, what flower is this? Dahlia. What flower is this? Dahlia, dahlia, dahlia. Hibiscus, hibiscus, hibiscus. All say with me children. Hibiscus. Lily, 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 lily. Sunflower, 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 sunflower. Tulip, 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 tulip. Periwinkle, 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 periwinkle. Next, marigold, 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 marigold. What flower is this children? Marigold. Lotus, 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 lotus. Jasmine, 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 jasmine. Now Miss will show you the flowers You have to say with me. Okay, you have to say with me. What flower is this? All say, children. I hope you all know this flower name. Yes, rose, 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 rose. Mogra, 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 mogra. What flower is this? Dahlia, 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 dahlia. What is this? What is the name of this flower? All say, children. Hibiscus, hibiscus, hibiscus. This is tulip. All say with me. Tulip, tulip, tulip. Sunflower. See, this flower look like sun. Yes or no, children? See, this flower look like sun. Yes. What is the name of this flower? Sunflower, sunflower, sunflower. This is lily, 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 lily. Periwinkle, 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 periwinkle. Yes. What is the name of this flower? What is the name of this flower? Marigold, 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 marigold. See, this flower look like gold color. Yes or no, children? Yellow color, gold color. So marigold, marigold, marigold. See, this is, all say, children, what flower is this? Lotus. Yes, lotus, lotus. See, this flower grows in water. See, this flower grows in water. And you know one thing? This is our national flower. Okay, this is our national flower. Okay, lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Jasmine, 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 jasmine. Now, Miss is going to teach you 5 questions. 5 questions in this lesson. Which lesson? Flower lesson. Okay, 5 questions in flower lesson. First question. Question number 1. Question number 1. Which is our national flower? Which is our national flower, children? Lotus. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Yes. Next. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Okay. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Hibiscus. Which flower is used for herbal? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Hibiscus. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. Which flower look like sun? Sun. Where you can see the sun? It will be in sky. Morning, afternoon, evening time you can see the sun. Okay. So, which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Next, question number 4. What are the flowers that grows in water? What are the flowers that grows in water? Water, 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 water. Okay. What are the flowers that grows in water? Lily, lotus. Lily and lotus. What are the flowers that grows in water? Lily and lotus. What are the flowers that grows in water? Lily and lotus. Next, 5th question. Okay, 5th question. What are the flowers that commonly used for perfume? Used for perfume. Perfume, you know, perfume. Smell, scent. Perfume and scent. Okay. What are the flowers that used for perfume? Okay. Commonly used for perfume. What flower? All say children. Rose, rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine. One more time, Miss will tell you all the 5 questions. First one question. Okay. Which flower is a national flower? Lotus. Which flower is a national flower? Lotus. Second one. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Okay. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? That is hibiscus. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is used for herbal purpose. Okay. Next. Which flower look like sun? Which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Sunflower. Next question. What are the flowers that grows in water? Water. What are the flowers that grows in water, my dear children? All see? Lily and lotus. Lily and lotus. What are the flowers that grows in water? Lily and lotus. Yes. Fifth question. See, 5. Fifth question is, which flower is commonly used for perfume? Perfume means scent. Okay. Which flower is commonly used for perfume? Jasmine. And one more flower. What is that? Rose. Now, what are the flowers that used for perfume? Perfume. What are the flowers that commonly used for perfume? Rose and jasmine. Rose and jasmine. What are the flowers that commonly used for perfume? My dear children, what are the flowers that commonly used for perfume purpose? All say children. Rose and jasmine. What are the flowers that commonly used for perfume? Okay, rose and jasmine. We have learned 5 questions in this lesson or not? Say children, say yes or no? Yes. Miss have taught you 5 questions or not? Yes. Now, Miss is going to teach that same 5 questions. In this textbook, we are going to learn. Okay. First, which is a national flower? All keep your fingers in national flower. See, Miss going to keep. See? Yes, this is your national flower. What is the name of your national flower? What is the name of your national flower? Lotus. See? Lotus. 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 This is your national flower. Which is your national flower? Lotus. Next. Which flower look like sun? All keep your fingers in that flower. See, touch and see. Touch and show that flower. Yes, this is sunflower. This flower look like sun. So, which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Which flower look like sun? Sunflower. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Okay. Which flower is used for herbal? Herbal means medicine purpose. Okay. Which flower is used for herbal purpose? Touch the herbal flower. This is your herbal flower. What is the name of the herbal flower? Hibiscus. Shoe flower. Okay. We are going to learn as hibiscus. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a herbal flower. Okay. Which flower is a herbal flower? Hibiscus. Next, which flower that grows in water? I know all will say lotus. Lotus. Yes or no, children? Yes. Lotus grows in what? All see this flower. This is lily. This flower also grows in water. Okay. This flower also grows in water. What are the flowers that grows in water? All show your finger. Touch and show. Keep your finger and show, children. Keep your finger. Yes. Lily and lotus. Lily and lotus. Lily and lotus. Lotus. What are the flowers that is commonly used for perfume? Perfume means yes, scent. Perfume means scent. What are the flowers that commonly used for perfume? Touch and show to me. Yes, all touch. Fast, children, touch. Which flower? Yes, rose. And also jasmine. Jasmine. Rose. Jasmine. Rose. Jasmine. Rose. Jasmine. Okay, children, I hope you all have learned flower lesson. Yes or no? Yes. In that flower lesson, Miss have taught you 5 questions. Okay, all learn that 5 questions when you get time. Okay, watch this video and learn. Till I meet you in next class, all be safe, stay home, stay safe.